So today on my workout, my thoughts were on vision. My thoughts were, what if vision isn't something that sits first on the outside in the light, but starts first on the inside in the dark? Starting not as light, but as sound. Sound so deep, so resonant, that you don't hear it with your ears. You feel it in your body. And it's there, constantly, always lurking, until you are so moved that you move. And when you move, you come to know it. And when you know it, you come to believe it. And when you believe it, you come to see it.